Make a great choice today with the 2009 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, leather upholstery, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.